Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Side Hustle Keisha. You guys make sure you're subscribed, you're hitting the notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Also remember, you can find me over on Facebook at Side Hustle Keisha as well. So definitely stay connected on all social media platforms, but you also can find me as well on Instagram. So make sure you follow me on all three: Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, so you can stay in the know of awesome opportunities to work from home, side hustles you can do from home, part-time work from home opportunities, even full-time jobs. Okay, my goal is to help you in this crazy time see how you can create other streamlines of cash, or full-time work for you if you're out of work. And I'm sorry if you are, and I know it's tough. Hang in there. I'm going to keep bringing you some detailed opportunities. Okay, so let's jump right into this opportunity, you guys, so you guys can definitely take advantage. This company is called Third Channel. Okay, Third Channel has brand rep opportunities. So if you didn't know, now you know. So you can work as a brand rep for some of the big brands and at major stores. Okay, so they have full-time and part-time positions. But let me tell you a little bit about Third Channel. Is a retail intelligence network that enables top brands to see into thousands of stores nationwide to optimize the in-store experience for their products. Okay, the company is actively seeking brand reps across USA and in Canada as well. So this is a side hustle, maybe something you can do after work or on the weekends. Brand reps are the eyes and the ears of national brands like New Balance, Fender, Oakley, Honest Company, Keds, and Hydro Flask. Okay, so and many other companies. As a brand rep, you'll demo products, collect valuable consumer data, train staff, and more. Okay, basically this position, they have jobs posted by the hour, $15 to $24 an hour. This could be a great side hustle that you're looking for. Okay, so I definitely wanted to share this one today. So see why over 150,000 dedicated and talented individuals have joined the Third Channel brand rep network to supplement their income and rep their favorite brands. You set your own hours, you get paid fast, and you rep brands that you already know and love. Okay, so if you're interested, you definitely want to come over here. You have to manage and complete a monthly calendar of retail store visits, merchandising product displays, become a brand rep expert, gain knowledge of all training materials, and use Third Channel technology on your smart device to collect crucial data, right? Relevant merchandising, retail, customer experience, reliable transportation, a smartphone, and this is a 1099 independent contractor position. So it's like your own business. So I'm not a tax person, but you'll have some tax benefits from being an independent contractor. It's your own business. You get the opportunity to write off different things, your travel, your gas, your car, if you're using your home and your internet and your cell phone. So this is a great opportunity to get some additional tax benefits from it as well. So if you're interested, you come here and become a brand rep, and you will go through the steps. Here's some information on being a brand rep, how it works, feature brands and retailers. This is all listed here, you guys. Great companies that you can brand rep for. Here's some testimonials. Check it out. Let me know what you think. If you come back here, if you get in, come back here and let us know. We want to celebrate with you. This is a great opportunity for you to make some extra side money. I'll see you guys in my next video. So make sure you're staying connected, hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Okay,